When I was growing up, I used to draw every single day. At school, when I got home from school, before school, I was just constantly drawing. As I got older and as I got into university and as I got into work, I had less and less time for drawing. But I want to tell you how important it is to actually take the time to draw regularly. The first reason for drawing every day is a really obvious one. It's literally just going to improve your skills. It's going to improve your technical ability. How you hold the pencil, how you use the pencil, or whatever medium you're working with. Sketching, drawing doesn't necessarily have to just be done with pencils. It can be done with paint, it can be done with pastels, whatever medium you feel comfortable with. It is really important that it's not about painting every day as such. For me, when I had the time, yes, it was painting every day, and I did learn a lot from it. But it's about you and the time that you have available to put into drawing. So if that's 3 days a week, it's 3 days a week. If it's 5 days a week, great. What you're trying to do is build up a consistent schedule of drawing, picking a time or a few times during the week where you are definitely going to sit down and draw. So for me, it's not about drawing every single day of the week now. I do not do any drawing on the days that I am at work teaching. I work 2 days a week, and then the other 5 days I am part-time with my art. And on those days, I like to create these small, quick sketches as just little warm-ups to keep me going. This regular, consistent sketching is going to improve your technical skills. Things like copying from reference photos, getting your proportions right, improving composition, improving your tonal values, just generally improving techniques. It helps you to build confidence. You become more confident in your ability to produce the things that you want to do. It allows you to be more creative and experiment with different things and really learn about who you are as an artist. It also allows us to develop consistency by regularly picking up that pencil, sitting down, drawing or painting, whatever it is you're doing. You are going to develop habits. And those habits, getting you into that routine, are going to be, one, good for drawing, but they're also going to help train your body and your mind to be able to get into other routines, whether that's going to the gym, whether that's getting up for work. By settling in one routine, all of the other routines are also going to settle into place. It's also really good for building patience. Like, one of the things when I was starting out was, could I be bothered to draw? And what I tend to find is, even though it's really difficult to actually pick up that pencil and start drawing every day, once you get into that drawing, time just flies by. And it's having that patience and having that commitment and having that diligence to actually pick up the pencil and start to draw. Regardless of the time it's going to take, you do not need to rush through everything. It will take as long as it takes. But by doing this every day, building those skills and building that confidence, it's going to be much more enjoyable, and this time is just going to absolutely fly by. You're also going to, or at least I feel like it, I have become more mindful. This idea of being aware of what's going on in your life and being mindful of things going on around you and taking time to consider what you're currently working on and how it's benefiting you. And I think with drawing, that is my idea of being mindful. I get lost in a drawing, I find it quite therapeutic, quite relaxing, and it's just one of the great benefits of drawing regularly, because it allows me to unwind, forget about what's going on during the day, at work, and it just allows me to relax and just focus on the drawing and chill, basically. I've really only just started filming these daily sketches because it's something that I thought would be quite good for TikTok, Instagram, and now YouTube Shorts. And I am really enjoying filming them, and I'm really enjoying the actual process of creating these sketches. Each sketch, like the one that you're seeing here, only takes me about between 30 and 50 minutes. A little bit more because of the camera work involved, but I love every single second of creating these drawings and creating these videos. And I hope you are getting something out of them, because I know I definitely am. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed the process of watching this Jaguar develop, then why not check out this video here where I'm painting a leopard. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.